What's up, you guys? This is TLJ Garage, and the last thing that we filmed was the removal of these two frame rails, and in today's episode we're going to be installing the brand new ones. So technically we don't need these at all anymore because we got new ones, and we're going to go get them on the car, and it's going to be a good day. So right now I'm prepping all the welds right now. I'm using a 40 grit sandpaper with my Milwaukee die grinder, and I'm just scraping off all the old glue. I've labeled where glue goes. Welds will be here. So we're gonna be welding it and re-gluing it. This is a big step in the project. So this is just what I have to do to get ready for the guy who's gonna weld it. So just to freshen up the welds and make them factory spec, I'm gonna throw some black gloss paint over it, and it should match up with the frame perfectly.
We were not joking when we said that we'd be painting these cars.
Dude, that's sick. It does look good. Fuck.
One more.
Sorry, buddy. So we got the welder in. He was in and out in about 1 hour and 15 minutes. Did an amazing job. It's cast aluminum, so it's very difficult. I found the correct guy to do the job. He's been welding for about 25 years. So he has tons of experience and he's professional. So looking up close, you can see the welds. It looks just as good as a factory, if not better. And we welded in every single spot on each knuckle, as well as this front brace. So now the frame is completely installed back to spec where it should be. We did all the correct measurements to make sure it'd be lined up, and we got each and every bolt installed into the knuckle without any trouble. So that means that the alignment should be spot on, just based off each and every bolt going in back to where they belong. So a couple more welds if you look up front here. So he welded this whole crossbar, and then here's this side knuckle over here. This one's beautiful right here. Get close up. Along with the alignment, this engine cradle right here has pins and then 4 bolts. So that helps us get the perfect distance across. And that's how you know it's not gonna be too wide and off of the Corvette spec. So right now, we're just about to get ready to throw the engine in, and we'll be filming that episode, and it'll be released in the following weeks. So you guys better stay tuned, and thanks for watching.